Here, your exam questions are ready now.
This is the premise of a new technology called Doctrina.AI. We will look at the potential benefits and drawbacks of this technology. Imagine if you knew the answers to all of your exam questions before you took the exam. What would you do? Would you study harder? Or would you relax and enjoy the fact that you were guaranteed to ace the exam? In this video, we will explore what would happen if AI revealed exam questions before your exam, and is AI really reveal our exam questions? We will look at the potential benefits and drawbacks of this technology. This is the premise of a new technology called Doctrina.AI. Doctrina.AI is an AI-powered platform that claims to be able to predict the questions that will be asked on an exam with up to 90% accuracy. So let's check now how Doctrina.AI is reveal our exam questions. Doctrina.AI works by analyzing a massive dataset of past exams and identifying patterns in the types of questions that are asked. The platform then uses this information to generate a set of predicted questions for the upcoming exam.
So let's go to first Doctrina.ai website. And first of all, create your free account. After creating your account, you will see here now only 2 options are available for free, and revealing exam questions section also paid option, but don't worry, I will show you. Is it exactly works or not to purchase this option, so please like the video. After unlocking the paid option, now elect author, book subject, book title, difficulty level, after fill each requirements. Here, your exam questions are ready now. Benefits of this technology. On the one hand, it could be a great way to level the playing field and give all students a fair chance at success. Students who don't have access to expensive tutors or private schools could use Doctrina.ai to prepare for their exams on an equal footing with their more affluent peers. Drawbacks of this technology. On the other hand, AI-powered exam cheating could lead to grade inflation, difficulty in assessing student learning, and a culture of dishonesty, encouraging students to focus on memorizing answers rather than developing critical thinking skills. In conclusion, the decision to use AI for exam question reveal is a personal one, requiring careful consideration of potential benefits and drawbacks. I hope you guys something you learned from this video. Thanks for watching, guys.